world of academia and research continues to expand, so does the need for efficient and reliable academic publication databases. These databases serve as essential tools for researchers, scientists, and scholars in their quest for knowledge and dissemination of their findings. Two prominent platforms that have dominated the academic publication landscape are Scopus and Web of Science. Both Scopus and Web of Science are widely used by the academic community and offer comprehensive coverage of scholarly literature. In this article, we will provide a detailed comparison of Scopus and Web of Science, exploring their key features, strengths, weaknesses, and the factors that researchers should consider when choosing between the two. 1. Overview and background. Scopus is an abstract and citation database developed by Elsevier, a well-known academic publishing company. It was launched in 2004 and has since become one of the largest and most widely used multidisciplinary bibliographic databases in the world. Scopus covers a wide range of academic disciplines, including natural sciences, social sciences, engineering, health sciences, and humanities. Web of Science, WOS, is a product of Clarivate Analytics, a leading provider of research analytics and intelligence. Web of Science has a longer history than Scopus, as it was first introduced in 1964. Over the years, Web of Science has evolved into a comprehensive research platform that encompasses the world's most influential scientific journals, conference proceedings, and patents. Like Scopus, Web of Science covers various subject areas, making it an invaluable resource for researchers across different fields. 2. Content and coverage. Scopus boasts an extensive collection of scholarly publications, including peer-reviewed journals, conference papers, trade publications, patents, and more. As of my last knowledge update in September 2021, Scopus indexed over 76 million records, with more than 22,000 peer-reviewed journals from over 5,000 publishers worldwide. One of the notable strengths of Scopus is its strong coverage of conference proceedings, making it a preferred choice for researchers in fields where conferences play a crucial role in disseminating research findings. Web of Science also offers an impressive selection of scholarly literature, covering peer-reviewed journals, conference proceedings, patents, and more. It is estimated that Web of Science indexed over 66 million records by my last update in September 2021. Like Scopus, Web of Science includes content from a diverse range of disciplines and sources, allowing researchers to explore interdisciplinary connections effectively. 3. Citation analysis and metrics. Scopus provides robust citation analysis tools, allowing researchers to track the impact and influence of their work and the work of others. It offers various metrics, including the H-index, SJR, SCImago journal rank, and SNP, source normalized impact per paper, which can aid researchers in evaluating the quality and significance of journals and individual publications. Web of Science is renowned for its rigorous citation analysis and provides a range of essential metrics, such as the Journal Impact Factor, JIF, and the times cited count. The JIF, in particular, is widely used to evaluate the prestige and importance of journals in specific fields. Web of Science also offers the H-index and other citation-based indicators to assess individual researchers' impact. 4. Search and user interface. Scopus boasts a user-friendly and intuitive interface, making it relatively easy for researchers to conduct searches and navigate through the search results. The platform offers various search filters to refine results based on authors, institutions, publication types, and more. Additionally, Scopus's integration with other Elsevier products, such as Mendeley, a reference manager, and Science Direct, a repository of academic articles, enhances the user experience. Web of Science's interface has evolved over the years to become more user-friendly, though some users may find it slightly less intuitive than Scopus. It offers advanced search capabilities and allows researchers to search by author, source title, and keywords. Additionally, Web of Science offers the cited reference search feature, enabling users to trace the citation history of a particular article. 5. Data accuracy and indexing. Scopus is known for its rigorous indexing process, and its team of content experts ensures that the database maintains high standards of accuracy and relevance. It employs advanced algorithms to detect and correct citation errors, making it a reliable source for citation analysis. Web of Science also maintains a high level of accuracy in its indexing process. Its team of experts carefully curates the content, ensuring that only authoritative and credible sources are included. The meticulous indexing process of Web of Science contributes to its reputation as a trustworthy resource for research. 6. Regional coverage. Scopus has a broader international focus, with strong coverage of research from countries around the world. It includes a vast number of non-English language journals, making it particularly useful for researchers seeking publications in different languages. Web of Science also offers substantial international coverage, but has historically been more focused on English language publications and journals from North America and Europe. However, the platform has made efforts to expand its coverage of journals from other regions in recent years. 7. Open access content. Scopus includes a significant number of open access publications, providing researchers with access to freely available research literature. This feature can be particularly valuable for those who may not have access to paid subscriptions. Web of Science has been working to improve its coverage of open access content, but it still lags behind Scopus in this regard. However, the platform acknowledges the importance of open access and continues to work on increasing its open access content. 8. Integration with institutional systems. Scopus offers APIs, application programming interfaces, that allow institutions and organizations to integrate Scopus data with their own systems. This feature enables researchers to access and analyze Scopus data directly within their institution's research management systems. Web of Science also provides APIs for integration with institutional systems, ensuring seamless access to its vast collection of academic content. 9. Cost and subscription options. The cost of a Scopus subscription can vary depending on the type of institution and the level of access required. Subscriptions are typically negotiated directly with Elsevier, and the pricing can be a significant consideration for institutions with budget constraints. Similarly, the cost of a Web of Science subscription depends on various factors, including the scope of access required and the size of the institution. As with Scopus, subscription negotiations are typically conducted with Clarivate Analytics. 10. User support and training. Elsevier provides comprehensive user support and training resources for Scopus users. This includes webinars, tutorials, documentation, and customer service assistance. Web of Science, Clarivate Analytics offers robust user support and training options for Web of Science users. The platform provides access to training materials, video tutorials, and customer support services. In conclusion, both Scopus and Web of Science are powerful and valuable resources for researchers, offering extensive coverage of scholarly literature, citation analysis tools, and various metrics to evaluate research impact. The choice between the two platforms ultimately depends on the specific needs and preferences of individual researchers and institutions. Scopus may be more appealing for those seeking a multidisciplinary database with strong coverage of conference proceedings and a broader international focus, while Web of Science may be preferred by researchers looking for an established platform with a long history of citation analysis and a reputation for accuracy. Researchers and institutions are encouraged to carefully consider the factors outlined in this comparison and to take advantage of trial access and demonstrations offered by both platforms to make an informed decision based on their unique requirements. Regardless of the choice made, both Scopus and Web of Science remain indispensable tools for the academic community in their pursuit of knowledge and advancement of research.